Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you can see the excitement on my face, right? I'm so excited, super excited, because I went to get some machines, okay, for my school. And I want to show you. I don't know, I can't unbox all these things because they are heavy. I cannot carry them. They are heavy. But you can see I bought 3 machines. I bought I think they are okay. The prices that they gave me for that, they are okay. Hey, yeah, baby. She's saying hello. So I bought these machines. I went to Aba, and I will share the name of the place where I went to get these machines. I will share the name with you. If you want, I can give you the number. If you want to get your machines, I can give you the number of the owner of the shop. It's a very big shop, and they deal on just sewing machines. If you want, excuse me, if you want to buy manual machines, if you want to buy industrial machines, if you want to buy your weaving machines, they will get them for you, and they can even weave it to you. This is not a paid advert, so I'm not going to talk much on them. So I'm just going to buy these machines, and I bought two industrial machines and 1 weaving machine. The weaving machine, I bought 2 lion for weaving machine, and for the sewing machine, the industrial machine, I bought brother, because that is what I want my students to use. Okay, brother is fine, and the speed is not too much. Okay, yeah, baby. So so I'm so excited because I bought these machines at the rate of, okay, I was chatting with them, and they told me that it was $290 per one for fairly used. Because I got the machines for fairly used, then bought the weaving machine. I bought a new weaving machine. So I don't know if you can get it cheaper around your area, but I know those people, they are okay, they are good. I know they're even saying their manual machine, the new butterfly, new one is 180. But I know that some people sell 185. But they can still bring it down. No, maybe it can go by 2K. I don't know. So I bought the fairly used brother for 285. Okay, I don't know if it's cheaper around your area. If it's cheaper, you tell me. So next time I'm going to try that too. Okay, so I bought 285 per one, right? And they told me 290 before I went. So I prepared to get, I wanted to even get manual weaving machine. Sorry, I wanted to get fairly used weaving machine. But when I got there, I didn't like the ones that I saw there. So he advised me to get a new 2 lion. Yeah, is it 2 lion? Yeah. To get a new 2 lion for the price of $420. So after much pricing and him knowing that I've already gotten 2 industrial machines from him, he said, okay, I should collect for $410. But I still said no. I gave him, I think what I'll be able to pay was $400. I was pricing $390 before, but he said no. So he gave me for $400. So everything I spent that day was like a million naira for just machine. So, and you know, I made a mistake. I went to sell 2 of my machines before that time. If I had known, I wouldn't have sold those machines, because machines now are very expensive. And if you don't get it now, if you don't get them now, if you want to get machines and you don't get them now, if you have the money, invest in machines, because these things, they will serve you. Excuse me. these things will serve you, okay, in time to come. Because you can see how manual machine from how much now to 185, 180. So this, if you have the money, invest in your sewing machines, okay. I'm just happy that I was able to buy these ones, and I have some other manual machines that I can start with my students. So with time, I'm going to be buying more to add up, but I want to just make it strictly brothers, because I want my students to just use brothers. I don't want them to use any other machines, because brother is perfect and fine for them, okay. And this brother is the same price with 2 lions, which I confirmed that day. They are the same price, but I bought the big head. Now the brother has small head and big head, right? The industrial machine, even the 2 lion has small head and big head, but I bought the big head. The small head is for, I think, 260, 270. That's for the small head. So but the big head is the one that they sold for 290, which I later paid for 285. So if you want to get, you get the, sorry, so you can get, if you want to get your machines, their name in Aba. So I went to Aba. That was last week Saturday. I went to Aba to get it. From Port Harcourt to Aba. If you're going from Port Harcourt to Aba, I'll just direct you on how to get there. From Port Harcourt to Aba, I got to Aba, stopped at area, then took keke to, just said the keke okay, sorry, he said the keke OT Multi Ventures. That's the name of the place, OT Multi Ventures. So this man sells everything machine, everything. He's really bought the whole machine and all those toning machines. He sells all those things, and it's a very big place. People were coming. People are really buying machines. People were coming to price and to buy. So that's the name of the place. If you're interested to go and you want their number, I could drop the number for you, okay? But in my receipt, and I have their number. Even before now, I had their number saved. When they were selling brother for 140, as at then, that was 2 years ago, when I wanted to go buy some machines. Then I wanted to buy like 7 machines. But that brother, they said it was 140. Now, see what I bought for 285,000 naira. So imagine buying this in 7. I could not buy it in 7. I wanted to buy as at then, but I'm going to be picking it 1, 2, 1, 2 like that. Okay, so it can even wave it to you. I just wanted to share with you where you can get your machine in Aba. Let me show you. I'll just show you a video of the shop. I did a video when I was inside the shop. Then the things I got. Okay guys, enjoy. Bye. So these are all the machines that I got that day, and this is how they packed them in cartons. The weaving machine, manual, everything is there. Okay, the industrial machines is there. The weaving machine is the 2 lion. This is how they packed them. So carrying them was hectic, and transportation to transport these things was expensive. And this is me in the shop while I was waiting for them to pack my stuff. I was so tired. I didn't eat before leaving the house, and my eyes were stunning. So I was already tired, so I couldn't get a video of the inside. The shop is inside. I'll just show you what it looks like from the outside. This is the outside though. It's inside. So this is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.